Scalenut uses its proprietary AI technology to form content based on precise instructions by comprehending the context you provide and providing research-backed, optimized. Built into the editor are a set of features that give you an end product that is engaging and ranks high on the search engine. To generate content using our AI features in an SEO article, type a few sentences into the editor and click on the right button, and our AI will generate follow-up content based on the previous context. Using the Instruct feature, you can instruct the AI to write content based on your commands. Scalenut recommends using the AI connectors functionality to keep readers interested. Click on the AI connectors and choose a connector from the drop-down menu, and Scalenut's AI will generate content beginning with the chosen word. The SERP Ideas functionality will scan the top-ranking web pages for any given keyword and provide factual and current data to help you create your content. You can also generate meta title, meta description, and URL permalink for your content piece using our AI. Using Scalenut's 5-step cruise mode, you can create an engaging first draft within minutes. These simple 5 steps entail: write a description of the topic, type in the title, get an automated outline, emphasize the writing points, create the first draft that is ready to export to the editor. Scalenut's AI templates functionality comes with 40+ pre-existing templates to choose from. Using these templates enables our AI copywriter to create content meant for the right context. Using these features in the editor, create content that is to the point and ranks high on the search engine. Thanks for watching.